Good evening, everyone. My name is Yudi Swan, and I'm a secondary 2 student of St. Margaret's Secondary School, and I'm from the choir. Tonight, I will be singing 4 songs from my grade 6 ABRS Leamington based on my voice and tone. The first song that I'll be singing is The Silver Swan by Orlando Gibbons. The Silver Swan is based on an old myth that a swan stays silent its whole life and sings only once, beautifully, right before it dies. In this song, the swan uses its final moments to say goodbye to joy and share a warning about the world.